What started as a quarantine bet among family has turned into a very successful social media side gig. And after seeing a few of Matthew Peach's videos, you'll understand why he got so popular on TikTok so quickly. Matthew Peach is a nurse by trade, but he likes to do carpentry on the side. The bet was with his kids. 4 of them said that they bet that Dad couldn't get as many followers as they could. Well, he did, and he got as many as all of them combined because of his cool handiwork that he started putting on TikTok.
These have been turning up on Reddit, on Twitter, all sorts of places.
I have not seen them, but they're beautiful.
I haven't either.
I love them.
And it's clear why he took off, because his handiwork is pretty darn spectacular. This Mad Hatter dresser that you're looking at is just one of the projects that he's put up. I was fascinated by this because so many people love reclaimed wood.
I'm going to show you how to take standard cheap white pine and make it look like this.
Although that looks like a 100-year-old beam, it's not. It's cheap, simple white pine. It's hollow, and he shows you step by step how he makes it.
Nick, you said that this started off with his kids kind of taunting him that he couldn't, have as many followers. Well, kids, you're welcome, because this is now putting food on your plate and keeping them lights on.
Yeah.
He didn't just teach them, he schooled them.